Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce insurance renewal rates with Liberty Mutual, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce your insurance renewal rates with Liberty Mutual, start by reviewing your current policy. Check for any changes in your coverage needs since your last renewal. Evaluate whether you still require all the coverage options included in your current plan. Consider increasing your deductibles to lower your premium. Research discounts that Liberty Mutual offers, such as bundling home and auto insurance. Contact your insurance agent to ask about available credits for safe driving, good student discounts, or loyalty rewards. Gather any recent updates about your property, such as renovations that may lower your risk profile. Request a review of your policy from your agent to ensure it's still tailored to your current situation. Compare your policy with quotes from other insurers to leverage pricing. Be open to adjusting your coverage limits based on your financial situation. Take advantage of Liberty Mutual's tools and resources available on their website for additional savings tips. Ensure your personal information is up to date, as changes can affect your rate. Consider scheduling regular check-ins with your agent to stay informed about potential savings in the future. Once you have all necessary information, reach out to Liberty Mutual to discuss your options. Be prepared to negotiate and advocate for the best possible rate based on your findings. After all adjustments are agreed upon, review your new policy documents carefully before finalizing. This well-rounded approach can lead to significant savings at renewal time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.